Hello, I'm Kiran Kumar from Nature of Physics. Today topic is conical pendulum. Interesting topic with two numerical. Step by step I will explain. Please do like and subscribe our channel Nature of Physics because of I'm explaining and writing clearly. See, considering one example like a simple pendulum student. Now this is in the conical pendulum motion like this student. See there in the cone motion, this is moving in the horizontal plane. So generally we can consider like a simple pendulum is oscillating like this. But it is not oscillating. It is moving in the horizontal surface. See there. Moving in the horizontal surface. See. This is the conical pendulum diagram clearly given student. S is the rigid so that at a point P the tension in the conical pendulum is resolved into two components because of conical pendulum making an angle theta with respect to vertical. So this is taken as T cos theta towards the making angle side and this is T sin theta students. So that conical pendulum mass is taken as m, so that downward direction mg is acting student, and away from the circular motion centrifugal force is acting, that is mv square by r, otherwise mr omega square we can write. Now derivation I am going to explain clearly given. L is the length of the conical pendulum student, see there, and h is the height with respect to rigid support, and at the point P position, so tension resolve into two components, see there, opposites angles are same, so T cos theta is balanced by the mg and T sin theta is balanced by the mv square by r. Clear diagram is given. Next balancing equations I am going to write student. T sin theta which is equal to mv square divided by r. Both are equal in magnitude and opposite in direction. This is I can write as equation number 1, and T cos theta is balanced by the mg, weight of the bob, is taken as equation number 2 students. And continuation step, next one is equation 1 square plus equation 2 square student. So equation 1 square plus equation 2 square, so we will get t square common, sin square theta plus cos square theta which is equal to mv square by r whole square plus mg whole square. Equation 1 square plus equation 2 square, LHS side part t square is common, RHS side clearly written, sin square theta plus cos square theta is equal to 1, so that we will get here t square which is equal to mv square by r whole square plus mg whole square, so that T which is equal to tension, T is the tension in the string, that is mv square by r whole square plus mg whole square student. Now I can write this is equation number 3. And continuation step, next equation 1 divided by equation 2 writing, equation 1 divided by equation 2, see there, equation 1 that is T sin theta divided by denominator is T cos theta which is equal to mv square by r whole divided by mg. So in this equation T get cancel and also mass is get cancel, numerator and denominator. Sin theta by cos theta is tan theta which is equal to v square divided by rg. This I can write as equation number 4. But there is a relation v is equal to r omega circular motion, so replacing that formula in the above equation, so that tan theta which is equal to r square omega square divided by gr, r and r square is get cancel, so that final equation tan theta which is equal to omega square r omega square divided by g I got. This I can write as equation number 5. Clear information about the conical pendulum, step by step we are doing. See that? Okay, after that next step is, here the values we will replace r value, so that from the diagram here sine theta which is equal to triangle, first I am writing triangle OPS. So sine theta which is equal to opposite is r and adjacent side is length. Length is everywhere same only, student. Okay, so that r is equal to L sine theta. I got L cross multiplication. This I can write as equation number 6. Now equation 6 is replacing in the equation number 5, student. Okay, so that equation number 6 in equation number 5, tan theta which is equal to r value is L sine theta into omega square divided by, that is g is there, student. And continuation also we can write sin theta by cos theta, tan theta sin theta by cos theta which is equal to L sin theta into omega square divided by g, student. Sin theta get cancel, so that I am getting there g divided by omega square into cos theta which is equal to L, student. Okay, this I can write as equation number 7. Okay, and also continuation, next step we will discuss a relation also. Based on this formula we will have the problem. Okay, student. And continuation step, next one, here time period also we can find from the equation number 5, student. Okay, so from equation number 5, here g tan theta divided by r which is equal to omega square. Okay, and omega which is equal to root over g tan theta divided by r, student. And also r value we can replace, r is equal to L sin theta. Okay, replacing in the above equation by L cos theta. This I can write as equation number 8. Student, continuation equation. So previous equation omega we got root over g divided by L cos theta, that we can write from the equation 7 also, student. Okay, so from equation number 7, that is L is equal to g divided by omega square into cos theta. Okay, from this equation simply we will get, okay, omega square which is equal to g divided by L cos theta. See there, cross multiplication omega square and L. So omega which is equal to root over g divided by L cos theta. Here we got in 3 steps only, that is lengthy. This is very simple, and continuation also. Now I can write this is again equation number 8 only, student. Okay, and next step is omega. Omega is the angular velocity. So omega value which is equal to 2 pi divided by t. T is the time period, student. T time period. Okay, and continuation, the value is replacing now omega value 2 pi by t. See there, 2 pi by t which is equal to root over g divided by L cos theta, student. And cross multiplication, 2 pi root over L cos theta divided by g which is equal to t. So now I can write t which is equal to 2 pi root over L cos theta divided by g is equation number 9, student. See, clear information about the time period of the conical pendulum. After this, next step is that is height raised by the conical pendulum. Student, clearly given, see there, height raise, h value considering. For h value, the equation is that is triangle OPS tan theta, writing tan theta is equal to opposite is R divided by adjacent side, that is h. Student, now I can write this is equation number 10, and from this equation only we got tan theta is equal to V square by RG. Okay, that is from equation number 4, tan theta which is equal to V square divided by RG. Now this is replacing in the above equation, nothing but tan theta is equal to tan theta. See, tell me student, that tan theta is equal to tan theta, that is R divided by H, which is equal to V square divided by RG. Cross multiplication, student, for this we are getting R square, R into R square G divided by V square is equal to H. So I got H which is equal to R square G divided by V square. This is equation number 12, student. See there. Now we got totally 10 to 12 equations about the conical pendulum. Based on these formulas, we can solve any kind of related problems to the conical pendulum, circular motion. 100% useful concept. Am I right or? So that continuation, there are two problems are there, student. Okay, so one by one I will explain. Yes, see the question. When a conical pendulum of length L having bob of mass m is rotating at a rate omega is the angular velocity in the horizontal circular path, then four options are given, student. Tension is asking. Tension already we did. Tension which is equal to root over mv square by r whole square plus mg whole square, student. So that first option is not correct, second option also not correct, and third option also not correct, and fourth option is there. Fourth option I will explain by the concept. Okay, see student, fourth option is the height of the point suspension above the center of the circular path is g divided by omega square. According to the question given, okay, h which is equal to g divided by omega square. Okay, student, so we have to show the proof from the concept for the question. See there, student, from equation 12 also we can do. So that is h which is equal to r square g divided by v square. So from this we can consider there v is equal to r omega, so that omega is equal to v divided by r, omega square is equal to v square by r square. The value is replacing in the above equation, so that we will get h which is equal to g divided by v square by r square. One more step writing for clarity purpose, h which is equal to g divided by omega square, student. This is the answer for the given question. Okay, so tension already I gave you, student. Tension which is equal to, see there, tension which is equal to, I got here only root over mv square by r whole square plus mg whole square. But according to the question, first option, second option, third option, we don't have like this, student. So that fourth option only correct. Next problem I am going to explain, student. See there, once I will read the question. Two particles tied at different strings are whirled in a horizontal circle as shown in the figure. The ratio of length of the strings so that they complete their circular path with equal time period is equal given student. Okay, and the ratio of length is asking in this question. See there, L1 by L2 is asking here student. Okay, so for this best formula L relation already I gave you, that is from equation number 7 student. From equation number 7, that is L, which is equal to G divided by omega square into cos theta. So in this equation length is inversely proportional to the cos theta student, and in this question theta 1 is given as 30 degrees. Okay, and theta 2 is given as 60 degrees. See there, the relation is writing now L1 by L2, which is equal to cos theta 2 divided by cos theta 1 student. Okay, so that L1 by L2, which is equal to, this is cos 60 divided by this is cos 30. Values also clearly given student, so that L1 by L2, which is equal to cos 30, value denominator is root 3 by 2, numerator cos 60 is 1 by 2, 2 get cancel, so which is equal to 1 by root 3 student. According to the question, the option number, that is B option, is correct student. That is L1 by L2, which is equal to root over 1 divided by 3 is the answer for the given question. Please do like and subscribe our channel Nature of Physics.